Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the video call quality in Line. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Go ahead and open the Line Messenger app on your phone. Then click on Home. After click on Home, you can see the settings option on the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on this corner, which is the settings gear icon. Then the next thing you want to do is scroll all the way down and click on Calls. Then scroll again and find Advanced Call setting. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you can see the video call quality option. There are two options over here, which are high definition and standard. So if you want a better experience of video quality, you should select high definition, or else you can select standard if you want to save the data. So there are two options, which is HD and standard, so you can select from this and it will change accordingly. I hope this video about how you can change the video call quality in Line Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.